Good morning, Dan here in historic Honesdale on it's a little chilly Tuesday morning. It's actually like 36, so it's not windy. The sun is out. It's kind of beautiful, to be honest. But we work in the winter, window cleaning company here, as you see Chris over there. How do we make sure we can serve our customers year-round and not just say April through November and then go hide? We are dressed properly. Got a hat there, keeps your head warm. That's half the challenge, maybe more. He's got gloves, he's got layers, and once you start moving, your blood flows a little better. Long story short, you can depend on us. 570-630-0326. We do inside, out, all year round, and we've been doing it since 1986. You'll like what you see. Have a wonderful day.